How to slow down playback speed of YouTube Shorts video. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your YouTube application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for YouTube application in the search bar. Just type in YouTube. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version in my device. I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of the YouTube application. Now make sure that you have logged in. Now over here I'm going to tap on the shorts option at the bottom of the screen. Select any reel that pops up, and as you can see there is no definite option of choosing the playback speed. You can tap and check as well. So there's no way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this like button over here, tap on like, and then go to the use section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you can just go to your liked videos option over here. So just tap on that and then go to your video that you had chosen or liked. So you can see the option of setting at the top right section. Tap on that and here you can get the option of playback speed. You can just slow down that by tapping on the. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.